Hello, my name is Johnny Jerry Bless, and I'm a student of Ghana Communication Technology University, level 300, a computer engineering student, and I'm here to present my works for Visual Basic. So the first one we have here is the code to enter data into table, adding new rows. So first of all, this declares the table we created and gives it a name table. So it declares a table as new data table called table. And then here is for things to do when the form loads. Before the form loads, so when you press play to run, it does these things before you actually see the output or display. So when you place our design, you can enter your details here when you run it. So it does this before the code is run, the button is clicked. So the end data ID that adds a first name column, it adds a last name column, it adds a age column in the data grid view. See, don't have it here currently. So when we do that, when we run the code, it does this before it displays everything. And when we click on the button, as we will see, it then allows what you entered to show in the data place. When you click the button, first it asks rows in text box ID, the text from the input, the text box FN, as we see from this text box last name, the ages, it inputs the data we input, it puts them in the data grid view. So let's run it and see. So let me move this. So let's run the code and see. So when you press play, it is doing yes. So now it has created a rule. So when we press play, we can see that these things were not there in the design we had by the code put it there when we press play. Now let's say we enter an ID of 54, 4, 6, 7, 8. And first name of Cherry, last name of Bless. That's not my last name, but let's just use it. And an age of 45. We add it. See, it's now over here. So this way we can add multiple rows and columns. And that's my first work. Thank you.